Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, Tech with Scott. Loving the new name, by the way. Today, guys, we have a product I want to feature. I featured this product a little bit in the past, but not really on this channel. I'm really big into microphones. I've always did audio quality and like upping my audio quality on my channel. So currently, I'm like I record all my videos, not all my videos, but like on my Lumix G7, my DSLR when I'm filming, like, and I really get when I want to get really good like camera quality. I combine that with a shotgun microphone, and the brand there is Rode. It's a Rode Video Micro, so it's a shotgun mic. So that audio is like pretty good. Here I use when I'm recording on my webcam directly to my PC. I record using the Corsair HS65 sort of gaming headset. It's sort of a gaming headset, but it looks really clean at least. And so that's what you're hearing the audio right now. It's super clear, sort of like a nice compressor microphone. It has a good like isolated sound, right? Good for podcasting and video recording. But like I thought I would bring you sort of a brief. I'm just honestly like in this video, I want to tell you how great this product is. This FIFINE K669 USB microphone is, because how simple and how good it is to use. It comes with a little like tripod stand right here. You can sort of angle it however you want depending on where your voice is. Pretty small microphone overall, like if just for size comparison, like this thing is rather small. I got it in this sort of like pinkish purplish color just because it was less money than the black version on Amazon, and it's the same product, so I don't really care about the color. But yeah, it has a volume knob right here. You can adjust the volume up or down instead of having to do this in software. So nice hardware toggle for the the volume coming out of the microphone. And it's really straightforward, guys. Like if you need a nice microphone for, I'd say, Zoom calls or recording audio to your PC or YouTube or podcasting, this could actually make for a good podcast mic. And my friend Tim actually used it for our podcast for a while and still uses it for like communicating online video chat. So that's enough of me rambling about this. Let's actually hop into an audio test so you guys can actually be the judge of how this sounds. I'm not gonna add on any filters to this. I think that's the best thing to do in audio videos. It's just like, what's the raw sound actually sound like coming out of this thing? I'll have it realistic distance away on my desk. You guys can be the judge. So let's hop into that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is an audio test of the FIFINE K669 microphone. Let me know how this sounds. I'm speaking at pretty normal volumes, to be honest. Nothing too crazy. And I think this is a great, a microphone for the cost. I'm just actually going to look up what the actual retail price of this is. FIFINE K559 microphone. Sorry, K669. I had the serial number wrong on this. K669 microphone. Right now you can get this thing for $30 on sale. That's a steal in my opinion, for the, audio quality you're getting. I'm around like, I'd say roughly half a foot away from the microphone, if that helps you guys with this audio test. And the volume knob is roughly at 50%. So let me know how this sounds. Is it good quality? Is it bad quality? Am I peaking? Are you hearing those like snap noises and like popping noises every time I speak? I don't have any filters on this, so no like, filters to catch my water vapor that I'm spewing out of my mouth. So hopefully it does a good job at handling those. But I think this is a good like desk microphone because like, as you can see, I'm talking to the camera right now and you can't even see the microphone in the shot. So it looks like, I'm just speaking, but I don't have a microphone on me anywhere. It's below this right here. I think it's literally right here. So it's good. Up the volume. You can back up, speak louder. It's up to you guys. Let me know how this sounds. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'll leave a link to this microphone down below. Obviously, I'm a huge tech nerd. The channel is called Tech with Scott. I love recommending products to you guys that I think are great. So I definitely recommend picking this one up based on how like amazing quality it is, as well as the price point, only $30 on Amazon. I don't think you can really beat that right now. So yeah, links below. It's an affiliate link, so I obviously profit a little off of it if you guys go buy it. And Thank you so much for all the support, guys, on the most recent content. I hope you're enjoying it. I'm hoping to bring you guys value in all these videos. That's the main goal of this channel, trying to make more selfless content rather than selfish content. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video from Tech with Scott. I appreciate everyone, and make sure to like this video if you did like it, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Appreciate all of the new members checking out my stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everyone, from Tech with Scott or Scott Tyler, whatever. Bye-bye. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.